Tell me what you want, Tabby. What do you want? All right, I'm coming. Show me what you want. Oh, she's in a hurry to get there, whatever it is. What is it that you want, Tabby? Do you want me to put your bed in the sunspot? Is that what you want, is your bed? All right, come on. Come on, then. There you go. Is that perfect? Oh, I'm sorry. It's a little bit out of the sun. There you go. Is that better? You're welcome. That's the best I can do, Tabby. I can't make it bigger yet. It'll get bigger when you lay there. I promise. The sunspot isn't big enough. Oh. Well, she wanted her basket put in the sunspot. But the sunspot's not quite big enough for her liking yet. Well, she's going to curl up anyway. She's going to curl up anyway. She's found a streak of sun.
You know what's going to happen, don't you?
What?
As soon as that sun goes away,
she's going to come get me.
She's going to come and get you.
She's going to come and get me so I can move her basket into the sun.
So we'll see the continuation.
Yep. Tabby, what do you want now? All right, show me what you want. Well, I can't make there be more sun, Tabby. The sun is on your basket. I can't make it be sunnier.
The sun was just behind a cloud.
It was.
Yes.
The sun was behind a cloud. I'm supposed to fix that, apparently.
You just have.
Apparently I just have. Here, let me push you up just a little. There you go. Is that better? You're welcome. You are so spoiled. What? I made it sun. Do I need to move it over a little bit? I'm sorry, I know you like the whole thing to be in the sun. Is that better?
It's a little breezy.
A little breezy. No, I guess it's good now. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Now she can bask. Now she can bask in the sun. That's our Tabi Cat.